Magandang araw! Christmas season is a time of joy, giving, and celebration. But while we enjoy wrapping gifts for our loved ones, we often forget that this season also creates a huge amount of waste, especially from gift wrappers. Did you know that most gift wraps are used only once and then thrown away? Many commercial wrappers are made with plastic coatings, glitters, or foil, which makes them non-recyclable. In fact, during the Christmas season alone, tons of wrapping paper end up in landfills worldwide. That's why today I'm choosing a more sustainable way to wrap gifts by recycling paper bags and turning them into unique, eco-friendly gift wrappers. Instead of buying new wrapping paper, I reused paper bags that would otherwise be discarded. They are sturdy, easy to work with, and perfect for creative designs. To decorate them, I used a stamp pad, silicone stamp, and an acrylic stamp holder. Simple tools, but they make a big difference. Each stamp design adds a personal touch while keeping things environmentally friendly. This Christmas season, let's reuse and repurpose. Thank you for watching. Bye!